22,000 creators use this secret weapon. Here's why you should too. Before we dive in, click the link in the description below to grab your special lifetime deal discount on SendFox. Tired of paying through the nose for email marketing every single month? Yeah, me too. That's why creators are flocking to SendFox, the email marketing platform that won't have you living on beans on toast just to send newsletters. SendFox was built specifically for content creators, not massive corporations with marketing departments bigger than your entire subscriber list. It gives you everything you actually need: unlimited email sends, automations, landing pages, and forms without the bloated features you'll never use. The best part? While other platforms charge you monthly fees that add up faster than streaming subscriptions, SendFox offers lifetime deals starting at just £49. That's right, pay once and send emails forever. No more monthly bills giving you heart palpitations. With SendFox, you can schedule campaigns, set up welcome sequences, tag subscribers, and even pull content directly from your RSS feed. And it integrates with all the tools you already use: WordPress, Shopify, Zapier, you name it. Big names like Ryan Holiday and Yoga with Adrienne are already using it. Not because it's fancy, but because it's practical. It's like having a reliable car instead of a Ferrari you can't afford to put petrol in. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your special lifetime deal offer before it disappears faster than free samples at a food market. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. Unlimited sends, automations, landing pages, the essentials. And with lifetime tiers starting at £49, it's a no-brainer for creators on a budget. Want the lifetime deal? Click the link in the description below to grab your special offer. Go on, your bank account will send you a thank you card. Your future self and your bank account will thank you.